Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring how Israel became one of the most advanced military technology leaders in the world, a nation small in size but massive in innovation and resilience. Israel transformed its struggle for survival into a story of technological dominance through vision intelligence and relentless development. From the moment Israel was established in 1948, it faced enemies on all sides and constant security challenges. The country had limited natural resources and a small population compared to its neighbors, so it had to find unique ways to survive. This need for survival became the foundation for its military innovation. Instead of focusing on numbers, Israel focused on brains, precision, and strategy in the early decades. Israel relied heavily on foreign military supplies, particularly from France. But when these sources were cut off during conflicts, Israel realized it had no choice but to become self-sufficient. This turning point changed everything. The Israeli government and scientists began developing homegrown defense systems that would later change the course of modern warfare. The birth of local defense industries like Israel Aerospace Industries, Rafael and Elbit Systems started. A new era of independence. Israel quickly began experimenting with technology that would allow it to detect and destroy enemy targets faster and more accurately. The development of the Merkava tank became one of the earliest examples of innovation. Built out of necessity, it was designed for crew protection, with the engine placed in front to shield soldiers from direct fire. Unlike traditional tanks, it symbolized Israel's defensive mindset, smart protection. First, by the late 1970s, Israel had already become a pioneer in unmanned aerial vehicles. It created the first operational drones used for surveillance and targeting during the Lebanon War. While the rest of the world was still testing the idea, Israel was already using drones. In combat, this early lead gave it decades of advantage in drone warfare that continues to this day, one of the greatest milestones in Israel's military evolution was the creation of the Iron Dome defense system. It was built to stop short-range rockets and artillery shells fired at civilian areas with near-perfect accuracy. Each Iron Dome battery uses radar to track incoming threats and automatically launches interceptor missiles to destroy them mid-air. This system has saved thousands of lives and became a global symbol of technological defense excellence. Alongside the Iron Dome, Israel developed other layers of missile defense, including David's sling for medium-range threats and the Arrow system for long-range ballistic missiles together. These layers form a complete shield, making Israel one of the most protected nations on Earth. These systems were created not by massive budgets, but through deep innovation engineering and collaboration between military and academic institutions. Another key factor behind Israel's success is its culture of research and development. Israel invests a larger percentage of its GDP in R&D than almost any other country in the world. Universities, military units, and private companies work hand in hand, creating a continuous flow of innovation. Many soldiers who serve in elite technology units like Unit 8200 later establish successful tech startups. This connection between the military and the private sector created what experts call the startup. Nation Unit 8200 has become legendary. It is Israel's cyber intelligence unit responsible for developing encryption systems, digital espionage tools, and advanced data analytics technologies. It not only provides real-time intelligence but also trains generations of programmers and analysts who later build some of the world's leading cybersecurity companies. This constant cycle of learning and innovation gives Israel a permanent advantage in both defense and technology. Israel also excels in artificial intelligence and autonomous systems. Its defense industries develop AI-powered drones capable of flying independently, identifying targets and making tactical decisions in real time. These systems reduce the need for human soldiers on the front line and increase precision. The integration of AI with battlefield data, satellite imagery, and cyber intelligence allows Israel to strike faster and smarter than its opponents. The Carmel Combat Vehicle project is another symbol of the future of Warfare. It replaces traditional controls with touchscreen interfaces, helmet displays, and voice commands, allowing soldiers to operate with the efficiency of a video game system. It combines automation sensors and AI, making it one of the most advanced ground systems in existence. The goal is to minimize crew size and maximize performance using technology instead of manpower. Cyber warfare has also become one of Israel's strongest fronts in the modern era. Conflicts are not just fought with guns and tanks, but with information. Israel is considered a cyber superpower, capable of both defense and offense. Its intelligence networks can detect threats before they happen and neutralize them in cyberspace. The country's expertise in cybersecurity has become a major export, bringing both influence and revenue. Another defining aspect of Israel's military technology dominance is its partnership with global powers, particularly the United States. The collaboration has produced revolutionary systems, such as the Arrow missile defense program and the Trophy active protection system, which shields tanks from incoming missiles. These technologies are now used by the U.S. and NATO armies around the world, proving the global reach of Israeli innovation. The Trophy system is a remarkable achievement. It uses radar to detect incoming projectiles and fires small countermeasures to intercept them before they hit a tank. This technology has been battle-tested in real combat and is now installed on American Abrams tanks, showing how Israeli inventions have become essential to modern armies everywhere. Beyond pure weaponry, Israel's military technology, leadership extends into space surveillance communication and intelligent satellites orbit above the Middle East, providing real-time data for both defense and strategic planning. These satellites allow Israel to monitor threats across thousands of miles, giving it an unmatched situational awareness advantage. The connection between military innovation and civilian technology is one of the most unique features of Israel's success. Many of the technologies used in global industries such as autonomous driving, cybersecurity, AI, and drones were originally developed for military purposes. This cross-flow of ideas keeps both the economy and the defense sector strong and interconnected. The constant state of readiness in Israel has also shaped its people. Every citizen undergoes mandatory military service, which means a huge portion of the population gains experience in leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving. This system has created a national mindset that embraces innovation, risk-taking, and resilience. These cultural traits are as vital to Israel's success as its weapons and technologies. Israel has also learned to adapt quickly to new challenges as warfare evolves from conventional battles to hybrid and cyber conflicts. Israel continues to stay ahead by investing in emerging technologies like quantum computing, laser weapons, and autonomous robotic soldiers. These futuristic concepts are no longer dreams. They are already in testing and development within Israeli research facilities. The Iron Beam laser system represents a new age in air defense. It uses concentrated energy beams to destroy incoming drones and rockets at the speed of light. It is silent, clean, and nearly cost-free. Compared to missile interceptors once fully deployed, it could transform how nations defend themselves from mass drone attacks and rocket barrages. This project shows how Israel continues to push the limits of technology. Israel's success story is not only about science, but also about strategy. It knows that the battlefield of the future will be decided by data intelligence and precision rather than sheer numbers. Every innovation is built to protect its citizens efficiently and decisively. This balance between technology and necessity makes Israel's defense approach unique in the world. Over the decades, Israel's defense exports have grown exponentially, making it one of the top arms exporters globally. Nations from Europe, Asia, and America purchase Israeli radar systems, drones, and defense software because they are proven to work in real combat scenarios. The demand continues to grow as conflicts become more technology-driven. The future for Israel's defense technology looks even more ambitious as global competition intensifies with China, the U.S., and Russia. Israel is positioning itself as a technological bridge between East and West, focusing on innovation that can integrate with allies while maintaining full independence. Its smart approach to partnerships ensures it remains at the center of global defense innovation, despite its small size and limited resources. Israel has shown that brainpower and innovation can outmatch any obstacle through decades of pressure, conflict, and creativity. It has built a reputation as a global defense powerhouse. The story of Israel's rise is a lesson to the world that necessity drives invention and innovation ensures survival. As 2030 approaches, Israel continues to invest in artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced cyber technologies. Its vision is clear: to create a fully integrated digital defense ecosystem where every radar, drone, and soldier communicates seamlessly through a unified data network. This vision could redefine the future of global warfare.